Let's get down to business. The vibes. Yo, speaking of vibes, see the big man, yeah? First of all,
blessing family. Yeah,
yes,
man,
sir.
bless of
Yes,
yourself.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. How you doing, sir? Everything blessed?
Fine as good wine, my friend. How are you, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm blessed, man. Giving God thanks every time. That's it.
Yes, sir. So,
Yeah,
first of all,
yeah,
before
man.
we get into anything else, I just want to express my absolute gratitude for to you uh, for granting me the opportunity to get into what we're about to get into. Um,
Right.
Before I just need you to know where
Yeah.
exactly you stand in terms of where you are in my mind when it comes to reggae dancehall. All right. So
Yes, yes.
correct me if I'm wrong here, because again, I'm a fan of the music, but of the people of your generation, right?
Mm-hmm.
The man them that's around your age group and all the rest of it, as far as I can remember, to my knowledge, you, sir, bust before every single one of them.
You know, you, you make it so, you make it sound like me one long time, man.
Every single one of them. So the world knew of Little Kirk before anyone of the people that are in your era and genre. You see me? And
Yeah,
you've been, since you bust, you've been in the business to today,
right.
churning out tune,
It.
bringing out excellent music, iconic music, and that is amazing, sir. Oh, I think we lost him. Have we lost him? Hmm. Just trying to get him back. Okay. Maybe he's trying to get back in. Maybe I should. All right, let's just do this. Yeah, Kirk, if you're in, I hope you are still, or did we lose? Yeah, we lost you. All right, no problem. We will wait. We will wait. We're gonna get into that. So, where were we? We were playing some Bobby Digital tunes. So let's go back there until I can get Kirk back. Bum, 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 bum. We're waiting for the legendary Kirk Davis to come back so we can get into so we can do this chat about reggae with one of our reggae icons. So what am I gonna do? Let's just spin some tune until he gets back, then, isn't it? Let's just go back where we were. I guess my man's experiencing technical difficulties, but I don't know. Ja works, I do it. So let's just spin some tune until he comes back in. So, by the way, fellow collectors, was I correct to say that Little Kirk was the first one out of all of them that we ever saw, like as youths or whatnot, before Wayne Wonder, before Sanchez, before Buju, before any one of them? He was on the Stalag rhythm with Tenor Saw them, Sister Nancy. Um, I don't know anybody that came out and that was big during the late 80s and 90s that was in the game before he was, and he was a child protege, man, bigger than all of them. But anyway, let's just spin some tune until he gets back in here. So hopefully okay, yeah. Thanks for confirming that, guys. You see, together, what did I say? We together, guys, we are the reggae dancehall Avengers, okay? But anyway, yo, big up Gibbo, by the way, one of my day ones. But anyway, so let's just spin a couple tune before the big man comes in here. Yeah, man, Little Kirk, but yeah, man, done. I'm not gonna play any Little Kirk tunes now until he gets in, okay? So I'm just gonna there we go. He's in, so boom. Let's just see if we can get hold of him in here. Right. Bam, 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 bam. Candyman, coffee, kill him. Candyman, coffee, circle down. Okay. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
family. Sorry about that. I don't know where I'm going. Just loading like a loader truck, you know.
I don't know,
Loading up.
man. It's getting ready. I don't think there's enough power
Yes.
to hold up what we're about to get into, sir.
Yeah, man. Now we're on the farm again to get and prosper anyway. You know, we give thanks.
January.
Most
So,
definitely. Straight.
Again, I was saying that, you know, it means a lot to me to have you here today. And I think, you know, people can spend money, you can get back money, you can lose gal, get back a woman. But when it comes to time, and he's gone again. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're right, 45 King. Uh-oh. All right. Problem for... I might as well just stop all this bag of intro. And when he comes back in, just get into it. But anyway, I'll say it for the point of record. It's like, as I say, you know, I say this a lot, where you know, time is the one thing that is spent that you cannot get back. So if you have somebody of legendary status that is willing to spend time and you know, go through the motions, that I will always appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Because that's something that is precious. You know what I mean? So yeah. So I'm gonna spin one or two. So when he gets in, we'll just go in from there. So anyway, where did we leave off? We was playing General TK.
All of the gyal who know so them a get money from them man broke out. You know them yet a get paid thumping our mouth, man. Oh God Almighty, TK, I'm gonna kill man, take back talk. What's going on, gyal? Yeah, live no man, I got no money, me say, wanna be scream out. Me ain't not getting none of your thump in our mouth. When a man, I got no money, me say, wanna be scream out. Shock out, girl, you run the road. A man, I look at you and not giving you nothing. Asking if you want a leave button in one record, tell you they don't want giving you nothing. You must be mad. Tell me, you go tell you what to do. Run him off of the scene. You want pretty but and you want say queen. Run him, tell him say he just can't come in. You want 2 pound of fish, and the man is the same. Run him, tell him say the time really are the one driving BMC in at your prestige go round. Run him, one take setting and your yard a move like Michael Jackson and the one white dad. Run him, tell him say your belly hungry. You want some Coca-Cola drinks and some tasty patty. Y'all live no man and go no money, me say would be scream out. Shock out, y'all you run the road. Y'all live no man and go no money, me say would be scream out. Me if not get much, because
Yes, I'm falling in love, only in love. Yes, I'm falling in love with only you. Yes, I'm falling in love, only in love. Yes, I'm falling in love with only you. It takes two lovers.
Make a request show. That's hilarious.
Just the two of us in perfect harmony. The love we share is holding together. The joy that is ours will last forever. The feelings we have ain't nothing.
Turbo, there was actually a rhythm album, so you know.
Only in love, falling in love with only you. Falling in love, only in love. Yes, I'm falling in love with only you.
you know you knock me off my feet. Aiming to make this life worth living. Touch the special part of me. And you gave me tender love I've been missing. I don't know what to say, I need to make you think you want me. No, this goes around inside my head. I'll make some time tonight and think about you. Oh, no, I never fall again. Love can make me so afraid. I just want to shower you with love. Shower you with love.
I'm gonna have to reschedule with Little Kirk. I have a feeling that he's having some serious issues. Someone said there was something wrong with Digicel in Jamaica, right? If that's the case, we need to blame Bounty Killer and Beanie Man for that one.
On you, love and true love, I give you. We made a start, so let's never part. Prepare a place in your heart, that's where it all starts. A place in your heart, make love your resort. Won't you go home, son, boy? Go home, go home. Won't you go home, son, boy? Go home.
Okay, I am home, so I'm not going nowhere. So we're gonna try again. And yeah, yes, sir. Ready again.
Yeah, man, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I check my Wi-Fi. I don't know what's going on.
I know what's going on. It's Bounty Killer
Yeah?
and Beanie Man. I feel them fart. Them burn up everything, and nothing works right.
It's gone again.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
I'm just saying, it's a Bounty Killer and Beanie Man fart, because when them what they yeah, them just mash up the place. Nothing work.
I don't know what's going on. Guys, first message this happen. You understand? My Wi-Fi up and things. I don't know. Anyway.
All right. So if we can't do this today, don't worry. We'll definitely reschedule because this is important. All right. Because I'm sure.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes. So before I continue,
I'm good enough. It's just a chip out. I don't know what's causing it. You know, that's basically it. But we don't have a problem.
All right then. Well, we will work with it. So here goes. So anyway, please introduce yourself to the people and let them know a little about yourself, please. Can you hear me? Can I be heard? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, man, we're there, man. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you nice and clear, nice and clear. Nice and clear. No.
All right. Yes, so my name is Kirk Davis, a.k.a. Little Kirk, foundation singer from way back, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I'm so way back. I mean, way back. Not from you ride them days and thing, but, you know, way back.
Not quite.
You know? Yeah, man, so.
Yes, sir.
Born and raised in Jerusalem, Waterhouse, Craigtown, three different places.
Yes.
You understand? So, most definitely. I've been in the music, making music, singing all my life. That's the only thing I know. Yeah? I've been doing it from 10 years old until this day.
Yes, sir.
You know? Yeah, man.
So, I mean, I want to say that there are many singers in the game. Not as many has been out as long as you have, and you have constantly been putting out quality music, you know?
Right.
And I just want to say, I mean, it's interesting because you are one of the anchors of the ship that belonged to Shocking Vibes. I don't recall Shocking Vibes ever bringing out a big rhythm that you were not a part of, you know?
Right.
And so as you know what this chat about reggae thing is about, I've stuck a pin in 5 songs that you have done.
Yeah.
So I want to play each one. I would like you to give us the story behind each one, okay?
All right, no problem.
Yes. So finding 5 tunes for you to speak about was kind of difficult because you have hundreds.
Yes, I actually have about 10 albums and over 1,000 singles.
Yes.
No joke.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for the record, everybody, there are many Kirk Davis albums on iTunes. So when we're finished here, go on iTunes, go and buy those, because those are some essential tunes in reggae dancehall history.
Right, but I want to point out that I'm not using Kirk Davis. I use Kirk Davis for like about 2 albums.
Yes.
People keep asking, who is Kirk Davis? So when they say Little Kirk, Little Kirk is in the back of their mind.
Exactly.
And I change the name all the time because when I get big and thing, man, like, well, you know, like Little John get big. All of the little them get big, you know. So Little Kirk originally. So we just go and use the name because that's the name people know.
Yes, of course.
You understand? And I've been one of the most underrated singer too. I can tell you that. You understand? But we just go and do my thing because we in a class by ourselves. You understand? We are humble youth. We just go and keep it and just go and vibe same way. Work we do working with us.
Definitely. Well, I don't know if we can find out if we can change your name here and now from Little Kirk to Talawa Kirk. How does that sound?
No, I prefer Little Kirk. Yeah, with Talawa still, but you know.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's what I said. Yeah, man.
So, all right. So, as you know, I try my best to not choose the most obvious songs, and you know, I don't want to go into the big songs because we know you already for those songs.
Right.
But I must say,
Yeah.
I'm going to start with this one because this just happens to be my favorite, and of course,
Okay.
favorite of many. During the early 90s, we would listen to Jam Rock, Bodyguard, and a whole heap of different sound. And every single...
You look like me underrated, man. You know a whole heap of thing. You know them name there? Jam Rock. The whole of them.
It's like how
Yeah, man.
Singing is all you know, right?
Right.
This reggae music thing is all it's one of the things what I know and love. It come in like my second wife, you know. So me love it start from me a youth. So when me a youth, know about Little Kirk and Red Tail, you know what I say? So I study it. So like I'm saying, listening to these sound tapes, because a lot of these sound tapes used to come to England, and even as a youth, at them time they're early 90s, I'm not even a teen yet, you know? So but there was, let's just say 92, 93, every single sound tape that I ever heard, Exodus 4x4 and you name it, whoever. This particular tune played in every single dance. So I have to play this because it is my favorite. So I'm going to play it and then we can talk about it, okay?
All right, fire it.
Okay, let's go.
Big tune. Weird. Yeah, man. Okay. How can I ease the pain? Wow.
Yes,
yeah, man. That is a shocking vibe song. The rhythm there, you know. That song come about is a Lisa Fisher. Sing it originally. It's a sing-over song. I know them time they will have a sing-over go and me, we and Sanchez and everything. Bourgeois is a tune for the name. Certain gal I know we friend them gal they condemn. With a shocking vibe studio when we used to work over by Penthouse studio. We never have a studio of our own at the time. And we did it. Tony Kelly was there that day. Beanie Man did a voice on it. I don't remember what Beanie Man sang name, but when my time come and me go around and now me start sing the song, you know. All down on my knees I pray. I'm done sing the song and I say, yo, hard. And Tony Kelly, he was the engineer and him called me around and I say, what hard? What hard? Him say, listen man, go back around at that. Cause them time then, so if you're out of key or anything growing up, the man they have all the big key them a shake. I said, key. You understand them a different time. So I go back around there now and shot it about 3-4 times and I say, yo, I can't sing the song, man. I can't bother with the song. I can sing the song and things say, yes, me I do good. And the man I said, no, go back around.
Yeah.
Tony Kelly. I say, all right, cool. Shot it one more time and I say the studio catch a fire. Everybody depend bop. And I say, yes. Yeah, man. So them go some mix it off. At the time, the little part was started, wasn't in it, and him create that and put in it. Yeah. And the song mash up the whole place. So let me go some barbecue, some school fete. When me go up on stage, you know, me walk on, there's some shoes alone, the girl them saying, wow, Kirky. You see me say? Yeah, man, a big tune. Yes, nice song.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
I mean, like you say, the ingredients that go into it. I mean, it's your vocals.
Right.
Yes, it's a cover song, yes, but the way you took the song, it's like we don't even remember, or most of us don't know the original by Lisa Fisher still.
Most, yeah, definitely.
That's a Little Kirk song. Street.
Yes. Yeah, man, that's true.
So
big tune.
Combined with the Tony Kelly, the genius of Tony Kelly Productions, the other tune them on the rhythm, as you say, you had Beanie Man on it.
Yeah, Wayne Wonder. Yeah, Buju.
Me have them tunes still.
Yeah, man.
I think it might have been one of the first times I heard Ninja Ford, him the on it, Buju the on it, Ian on it. You know, so
yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
man. A big rhythm, man. A big rhythm, man. The Buju tune was a big song too. You know, Buju tune going good too.
Yes.
Certain gal I know we friend them, gal they condemn. Yeah. Most definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, all right. So, that's amazing. So, I mean, I had to go there because again, it's probably my favorite Kirk Davis song. So I wouldn't forgive myself if I didn't ask you about that one. So that's
Why the Kirk Davis stuck in your head, right? I know, so we have to go give a detox on the brain. Drop you back to Little Kirk.
So,
yeah, man.
We briefly spoke earlier, and you were talking about some of your hit songs and everything. And one of, I believe, from what I recall, one of the first dancehall hit songs that you had in the digital era came in came in 89, which is the tune that you did on the Gun in a Baggy rhythm.
Yeah.
Yes. So you mentioned
number one song.
Yes. So you mentioned
big song.
But for me, I would say that is again one of your obvious hits. So I'm gonna stick to the same theme because I know that you've actually hit that rhythm at least 3 times, though.
Gun in a Baggy.
Yes.
I think 2 times. I think I sing the next song and then I can't stop dreaming when it never ends. Long as you're gone, we will be friends, and it's easy. Yeah. Okay, and then the lose your love. I don't wanna lose your love. 2 times. 2 times.
So when did you voice them tune then?
All right, Lose Your Love. It was 1989 when Dave Kelly built the rhythm there.
Yeah.
And Little Lenny do the she gun in the bag, and then me hear the rhythm and me going after me hear pump as it start me say I don't want to lose, girl.
Yes.
I don't want to lose because you looked at me and the man say yo, it's a next hit this again. I say when the tune come out, I want to tell you say the song there. I think a youth lose him life after the song that because one time it playing a dance hall and he must be up in the tree and the man him like gun salute.
Oh man.
Boom, and him get shot. And I see it came in the paper too, 89. But the song there mash up the place, New York everywhere. Anyway, when the rhythm start, I'm run on. And then here, I don't want to lose. Everything done.
Okay, so the next time you voiced on the rhythm, when did you voice on that rhythm next time? Was it not 2003? Was the last time?
I don't remember. If I tell you the truth.
Okay.
I don't remember the exact time.
You did say you voiced on the rhythm 2 times, right?
Right. The Lose Your Love voice in 89, and then that one I don't know if it's the late 90s or early 2000. I don't remember. But we know so we make a remix.
Yes. Okay. Because I remember it came back. Little Lenny was on it. Silver Cap on it. Beanie Man. And,
Beanie Man. Yeah.
I remember Gregory was on the original one. But in the re-release in 2000 something, it was Gregory and Shadow.
Gregory Isaac?
Gregory Isaac, yes, and Shadow.
Okay.
They put Shadow on it. But anyway, so what we're going to go into now, it is another voiceover song that you did, and I'm only going to do 2. But this was another voiceover song, and this song was released in 1993. So I want you to talk about why you chose to sing this particular song on this particular rhythm, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, another one from the living legend that is Little Kirk. This is 1993. Shocking Vibes is the label. Hear that tune, y'all.
All right.
You don't know what it's like. There's a light sitting down a line. This Everybody say, we should never
You laugh, no, you laugh.
if I had got you, baby, you know what is right. Baby, you don't know what is right.
Hey, you know, say you're not easy though, you know. You're not easy, you know. I never remember that I sing that song on it. May I tell you the truth? You're not easy, man. You're beating up on the one here. May I tell you? The least expect this one here. No joke. Yeah, man. But the song you come about, I think it was Michael Bolton that sing this song. So I used to sing it on stage show. You know, Ghost, and used to sing it the same way. And I think them look over about the rhythm and I say, you know, make a fit the song upon it, because the girl, they would love them tune there, you know?
Yes.
But me never remember, so 3 times I sing upon the rhythm, I say. I never know about it, that's right, no, I really didn't understand, I didn't remember, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know,
Well,
right.
you know, and this is the thing, you know, as I say, sometimes, you know, you throw seeds on the ground and you forgot about them. But them seeds, a lot of the time, sometimes they grow into fruitful trees. So
Right.
some of your art that you've thrown around, I mean, they're still out there. You know what I mean, I said? So one of the things I'm trying to do is raise awareness for somebody like you who has an extensive catalog. Big.
Right.
You know, to let people remember why we know this name, Little Kirk, and all of these tunes that is behind such a tremendous career. You know what I mean, I said?
Right.
So, yes, sir. So, salute again, sir.
Thumbs up, yeah, man. You're matching me up with that one day. I never expect that at all. That's me. Because me could have swear, say, you are 2 songs with up on it, me not do no more.
Yeah, man. That one, 99.
But you have the receipt, so you present it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So, all right. So, we're going to go to the year of 1994. Now, this one you will know of. It was when Black Scorpio relicked the iconic rhythm that is She Is Mine with the Barrington Levy. Massive tune. So your cut on it, right?
Yeah.
Chorus, yes, was a voiceover, but I love what you did with the verses, which was your lyrics. Because the verses of this tune was not the same verses that was done from the original Aaron Hall tune. So I just love it.
Right.
So, yeah. So we're going to go into that. So I want to tell you, want you to tell us how this one came about. All right. So we're ready.
All right.
1, 2, 3, boom. I don't you my baby, I keep a sitting by the phone, and you treat me bad, but you treat me unkind. I don't you know my baby, you wanna blow my mind. I miss you.
Yes. I remember that song.
Yes.
Them songs they're not there on the forefront of my mind, though. I totally forget about them, but I know that they're out there. I think that is about the second song of Ice of Black Scorpio. And the rhythm they made a Barrington Levy upon it too.
Yes.
Happy day, I love us a little bit more. Yeah. Why have you all I sang them like half, man, you know?
You know,
I tell you come like on my brother named Rich 45. Him, the man that can find the most Little Kirk. The man that plays on song, me have to say, Rich, away I get them.
Listen, Rich is
no joke, yeah man, Rich 45, big up.
One of my Instagram brethren, and Rich, you know, in my everything. There's a few of us.
Every artist, yo.
you know.
When the man play some song, we have to say to him, say, hey, where you let's send them back to me. I think a lot of artists have to do that. Just like how you have them now, we never know you have all them songs, yeah?
Boom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
So,
it.
don't worry.
Candyman Part 5.
We missing on still. So what was it like working with, you know, Black Scorpio? Because this guy, you know, it's like a Bobby King Jammies.
All right. Right, Black Scorpio now, Jack Scorpio name. Me and Jack used to live on the same road because I came from Jewsland, 48 Headley Avenue. Black Scorpio was 30 Headley Avenue, I'm up a sound. So what I used to do, in time I start out at me at 10, 11, somewhere there, I used to go to he used to keep a Thursday night dance every Thursday. That time you have General Trees, Echo Minot, Woody Pop, big artists used to go there. So I used to go there and ask for the mic, but nobody now give me the mic.
Yeah.
So what I used to do in the spare time is pick up buckle. Because I have to look my food, you know, it's like a bounty hunter, you understand? Yeah. You don't know, get to youth. And when time not give me the sing off of the mic, I go so and pick up buckle and stuff. And then one night I go there and like the man in the day I sing and I said, hey, come on, not sing. I said, hey, come on, I said, beg you sing off of the mic and give me the mic. And I start singing the whole place, bust. And from that, every night, Jack I said, listen, come up here every Thursday, man.
Yes.
Then General Trees, the one that time me and General Trees start move up and down. General Trees was one of the man who buy me my first shoes.
Yeah, okay.
Big up General Trees to that. Yeah, man.
Big.
And buy a shoes, it's a crayon bottom shoes too.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Big.
And then we move from this and start record and I do my thing and thing. And then I go back up at Jack Scorpio one day and I have the rhythm and we just go and shot the song. Yeah. I was singing basically the thing out of my head. I never write no lyrics or nothing.
Really?
Straight till it done. Put on the earphone, sing until it done.
Wow. Well, I'll make a suggestion. Of course, I'm going to send you this anyway, but on your next stage show, please remember the lyrics and perform it.
Yeah, why sometimes I sing them in there because the people don't really know them, you know? And then, you know, people have a tendency to say sometimes you have to sing some song with them don't know about it. If you go on a show and sing it and them will stand up and look on it and say, I want to be there, man. Not that you can't sing, because them already know so you can't sing. So you have to sing something where you go and grab them first and then you drop it.
Yes.
Once you have them in your hand with some songs where them know. Because once people hear a song and they know them start gyrate to it and feel a vibe. So if you just run on and start singing some song and them say, yo, the brother you're boring.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, this is I mean, I will say this. This is why, you know, me, along with, there's, of course, you know, Ricky 45 King from out of Canada.
Right.
You've got Selector SP out of Canada. You've got Importer from out of Holland. Stardust from out of Germany. Riot DJ from out of, he's from Trinidad. And you have, I'm forgetting somebody, a man from Australia. But basically, there's a few of us out there that are collectors. And what we are doing collectively, we're trying to push this music, a lot of the unknown music that people don't really know too tough, to put it into people's minds so that the artists them can get to perform some of them, because these tunes are bad. Yeah, Turboflex, that's the man. Yeah, these tunes are bad. Yeah, they are. And they shouldn't be buried. They should be out there. So this is what we are trying to do, you know?
That's true. That's true. What, you know, as you say, you know, the music change and stuff, you know, is how I look at it sometimes, because as I say, a lot of time people, when you know, hear me name out this, a lot of people assume that I stop sing. So I keep on it and them say, no, I still a record. It's just that sometimes when you record, a disc jockey will play it and then them dash it aside because you know, hot time of the dance and that's a certain thing. You understand? So it's coming like you stop work. And most of the time people like say, well, them whole artists like me and certain man. Like me here interview Mega one of the baddest DJ.
Definitely.
Without apology. Me I say that. And a lot of time people talk about, boy, man, no, and this and the man, no, and that. And them don't know it's not very easy, Virgin. Your voice, you think them, me know Mega have tune out there play and a big artist and thing, but sometimes them push it to the back burn.
Yes.
And some people where not have no talent. I mean, I lick out Panaman really, and you understand? But
I hear you.
Some of them are joke, brother. We make some solid songs and people sometimes, Virgin, as an artist, one time I tell myself, so I got done with singing, I not bad at singing. Don't come and write so much song and sing so much song and put them out. It's like them, listen to them and then just push them aside. I'm just say, you know what, I go and sing until the day I'm dead. Yeah, and I stop. So who embrace it. Who don't want to embrace it, don't embrace it.
Exactly.
But we are going to make positive music, uplifting music where you can listen and learn from. Yes, come on, could I switch long time and go sing about some gun and cock up girl and all kind of something. And sometimes it come like when they do that, like them embrace that more.
Yeah, well, we
To
might
me.
get into one or two examples of when you did that, sir.
True. Get a girl. If I get a girl, you talk, and me right, get a girl, me just sing it. Tony Kelly was the original writer.
I'm not going there. We got something else for it, boy.
So yes, I sing some song about a girl and them thing there.
Not exactly.
You would have to go play that, let me hear it.
We got one.
You'd have to go play it, let me hear it. We don't sing song about girl.
One or two gangster business we are gonna get into, you know, some tuggy style we are get into, you know. But
no, them gangster song, they're soft gangster song, and a song that tell people to bust out people head and leak out this and that. Every music and music, and as we say, we not fight against anybody, because everybody have to do them, have to eat them food.
Exactly.
At the end of the day. Exactly. But sometimes the people make it look like the old artists, them not work, or them lazy.
Yeah,
no.
I understand, yeah.
Because sometimes you get pushed to the side. There's people who work with me, you have people who respect me, you have people who look up to me, you have people who don't like me, as you know in life, as so it's said. You understand? Yeah. I said them singer, them man that can't sing, man. Sometimes I laugh and me hear something. Can't sing. I mean, it's not a hype person, I boots up myself.
Yeah.
But when you say Little Kirk can't sing, you know, say something definitely wrong with your ears.
Of course. I don't think there's anybody that loves reggae music that you can tell that would ever listen to that foolishness, because that's just like saying Halle Berry isn't beautiful. That don't make no sense. Of course she is.
Brother, it's like even Germany side. This time I go Germany and them place and I sing.
Yeah.
Some white people come like a pop them a pop out all them here.
Yes.
And then sometimes when they're around your own black people, they must look on you like you're not nobody really.
I hear you.
You know, we're not get into it too much, but you don't know. I said set.
Yeah.
So just you have to motivate yourself and know, say, yo, I'm great, you know. So I go and sing, and I sing, God put me here for sing.
Exactly.
That is my only job I know, the only job I've ever done until this day, music.
And also understand that, you know, you do have a very huge fan base worldwide. It's just you don't see them, you don't know them, but we're out there, you know? Just so you know that. So don't ever stop doing what you're doing. We love it. Yeah, man. We need it. A lot of your songs.
I think it was 2017.
Yes, sir.
2017, I tell myself, so listen, I never sing never one more song.
What? No,
you just get fed up. It's like you sing a song, them and them come like them a waste. Cause you just put them out and then play them and then dash them away. You know, you have people who have them and embrace them. Don't get me wrong.
Yes,
you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
but I sit down and think about it and I say, no man, way I say, this is a gift from the Almighty, you know, man.
Yes,
I can't thank him enough. Because it bring me out of whole heap of poverty and separation. Music save a lot of youths. See it? Anyway, I'm not straight from the thing. Do the thing.
I mean, well, this is all relevant. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm quite sure if you had totally given up the singing thing, we wouldn't be seeing fish behind your head right there. So, you know.
Oh, my thank them, my brethren, them, man.
Big up to the fish, them, see?
Yeah, I'm a friend, them. Some of my friends, them, too, you know, real friends, too. I'm not betray you.
All right, then. So, anyway, so we're going to get into song number 4. Again, a very big rhythm. This one's more known, too, but I wanted to play this one to show that there's another side of Little Kirk that people don't fully know of 100%. You know, so I just want to go into this and I want to talk about how, because when you got into this particular style, it showed me that, yo, this brother, yeah, he can do everything. You know, he can bat, he can field, he can bowl, you know what I mean? The whole gear. So, tune number 4, ladies and gentlemen, we're listening to Little Kirk. All of the information of the songs that I'm playing, I will put into the post when I finally put this up. So, we're not going to watch stuff here. So, anyway, Little Kirk, this is number 4. We ready? Let's roll.
Why that the song the boy? Slowly. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Sometimes there's like a little DJ vibe, you know?
Yes.
I guess, you know, well, slowly. As I think as the original song to I wrote, you know, that was some of the first song that when we start write. You know, when we used to sing over the whole heap of song, then when we take time start do a thing. You know?
Yes,
but
sir.
sometimes I listen to them and I do like hear them.
Yeah.
Them sound funny to me.
No, sir. No, man.
Yeah, man. Them sound so solid to me. That's me though. Cause there's a lot of songs I did where I don't even like hear them. When I hear them, them stress my brain. I said, we could have do that better. You know, like when you're younger too. Yeah. And like you listen back something like me, I say, yo, if I didn't know me hold that man, that mash up.
Yeah.
You know, but we still have to appreciate them. You know, good tune.
Man. Well, you know, it's big song, big rhythm. It was well, it's a combination with Alley Cat, a fellow Shocking Vibes member and everything. But of course, I just wanted to show that there's a different side of Little Kirk. Can I just sing? You can do other things, you know?
Yeah, man. We can DJ good to me. Can sing. I sing different genres, R&B. Whole heap of different things people. Some people even know. Some people know and some don't.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Change up my voice. I mean, when I time me that sing like Michael Jackson, I just sing the gonna make a change for once in my life. Mash up the place again, 88. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you do have a tune which I actually don't have. It's on. I'm about to get it because I'm getting it from Japan. But there's a tune you did on a rhythm in 1998, which is a DJ song. Where the yachty gal them? Where them there? Yeah, that there.
Me never remember them song. You sure I've been singing?
Bad. So there's a few examples, right? So anyway,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Maybe me did try a thing at the time too, because some of the time we need them time they are sing. When the time them stop playing, they sing at them mind, you know.
Yes.
And now appear in the mind as a DJ them around the place. So sometimes we probably drop in something and sound. Some of it sound stupid too, but you know, so it's it. When they have to girl them.
Yes.
So it's it.
All right then.
So, they have to girl them most love the money, yeah.
Yes, sir, of course. So for the last one, I'm gonna play something that most would have not heard, and I'm probably willing to bet money that you don't even remember still. So this is 2000 the year.
Much money I bet. Can I pound them heavy, you know. Big news. At the newspaper, I call them, you know. Big newspaper.
Pound strong. So first of all, I'm gonna say this, right?
Yeah.
It's 3 artists on this tune. There's you singing,
right?
Shadow. Remember Shadow from Shocking? Shadow used to roll quite a lot with Ricky Rudy, right?
Yeah, man. I spoke to him a couple months ago. He's in New York.
Okay, seen. That's somebody I might want to speak to one day because he have some bad stuff still.
Yeah, they live in. Yeah.
Yes. So there's 3 artists. So you, Shadow, and a next DJ. But I want you to tell me who this DJ is. So I'm gonna play the Shadow part. Then you're gonna hear yourself sing. After the chorus come, the next DJ will come in. So I want to hear you. I want you to tell me who this DJ is and what went into this tune. Okay, you ready?
Right.
All right.
Right.
Let me go.
Now we are getting on this try. You're gonna run, you're gonna wipe. What you gonna do when gangsters come for you? Them to know that you're gonna run, you're gonna wipe. You gonna run, you're gonna run, you're gonna wipe. What you gonna do when gangsters come for you? Them to know you're gonna run, you're gonna wipe. You gonna run, well, you gonna keep on pop out so that this will jump out. And up next to a jump at man, duck up scout.
Go on, Kirk. Mr. Davis.
Where you gonna run? Tell them where you gonna run, where you gonna wipe, what you gonna do.
Yo!
You know, easy, you know. Yeah, man, that's a Shadow, Little Kirk, and Little Kirk.
Yeah.
Me a sing and a DJ, yeah, man.
So,
all them songs they written a long time years when I hear them song, man. I don't even remember about them, trust me.
Yo,
you're great. You're one of the greats.
So tell me what went into that song, because you know more time you hear singer and DJ. So what you have the singer singing, then the DJ come in, and then the singer with the chorus and whatnot. But in this song, you were DJing, so and that's just rare. You don't hear that too tough. So you know why? How come? How did you not make that? You know, whose idea? You know, give me the give me the story.
All right, I think
wait. Hold on. I'm gonna have to. We're about to we're running out of time, so I'm gonna have to log out and log back in again. Yeah. So please come back in, and then we'll continue. So everybody, who's in there now, give us a few seconds. We'll be back. All right. Peace, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, man.
Little Kirk, part 2 coming up.
I see the questions in your eyes. I know it's waiting on your mind. You can be sure I know my heart. Only cries happy tears. And do I make mistakes? I never break. And I swear by the moon and the
Oh boy. So the king of covering music, by the way, and his own, is right back with us, sir. Thank you for rejoining us, sir.
Yes, man.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it.
We were saying that you had gone to feed the fish. So are they well fed?
No, man, them fish are get feed long time.
Yes, sir.
I have one bang belly one in there and crave them too, you see?
Okay, is that you call that one Admiral Bailey?
No, I'm not this Bailey, sir. We call him Bangy.
There you go. So
That's it.
yes, sir. So I just would like to thank you for spending this time with me here and sharing it with us, those who are tuned in, because we'd like to pay homage to you. Again, we're not into the business of, you know, we don't want something to happen to you, you know, like Tiger or any of the artists that probably pass away before we start boosting up icons. For me, it's my duty as somebody who loves this music. If I have a platform to do so, I'm a booster. Everybody that, you know, so you're definitely one of them, and thank you, because also you are the first singer, and I wanted you in particular because you bust before everybody else. So
hey, my name make people get it wrong, you know, so Kirk bust before everybody. You have to make them know like who you're talking. Okay. A lot of people don't understand.
What I'm saying is you bust before everybody in your generation. So for the man them that were born in the 70s, we're talking about Killer, Beanie, Buju, Terror Fabulous, make every last one of them.
Okay. I overstand now. I understand it. You got people who read them thing wrong. You understand? Because you know there was many singers before me, Linval Thompson, Little John, Tristan, all of them, you know?
Yes.
Junior Reid is my singer from way back, you know? Yes. That's why I used to sing like.
Well, we've seen a lot of us have seen the footage of you as a young youth. I sing. So
man. Junior Reid was my singer, man. Same way still is, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get up people broke the ning ning boy them. Get up people broke, stand down, stick it ding boy, and yang ding boy. Nang no, and yang ding boy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So I mean, how exactly was it for you? I mean, I'm just going to ask you a few just random questions. I mean, so you're basically, as I said, you were one of the pillars. You helped establish Shocking Vibes, okay? So how was that for you, knowing that this is a label that had so many hit songs and hit music over like 3 decades, and you were on, I'd say, 80% of what came out in terms of rhythms. How was that for you?
Yeah, that was great. And I mean, because the farm in a Shocking Vibe was me and Patrick, and Santa Mecha was there from the foundation too.
Yes.
You know, them, but before we have any label named Shocking Vibe. I went there and said Tanto. Me and Beanie Man basically. You know, Patrick used to run a sound named Stats.
Yes.
And you know, that is a long story still. And before I'm Shocking Vibe and start out advising me and me first basically. I was a director. I'm a director of Shocking Vibe, or was then basically.
There you go.
So we started label and then I went to New York. My first travel I went to Cayman.
Yes.
And then I came back and then I went to, I think, Canada. Me and Peter Metro, Anthony Red Rose and Tiger and do a thing and then we fly across New York and we link up with this virgin named Roddy and we start do the album, Get a People Bro. But before that I had a single in 1984, Killer Sound and the Sling Thing for Winston Riley, Techniques.
Yeah.
Killer sound, boy, tonight.
Wow.
Oh, well, now. That my voice fine. That was my first record.
See.
And they had the stagger lock to doom, doom.
Yeah.
To that I am a bolo have. When a man's in love, I mean, have what love got to do.
Yes.
Got to. You know?
That's how I
and the rhythm.
Yeah, that's where I first heard. Yeah.
Yeah, man, and we fly and then go New York and we come back down and we shot the Get the People Broke video. We say, yo, we're going to start a label and the logo. It was a big, pretty orange, big Shocking Vibe, whatever.
Yes.
You know, we start out with Wrong Move them, right? Yes. Waterhouse, Firehouse Crew.
Yeah. The original Shocking Vibes label was not this one.
Right.
Yeah.
This come after.
Yes.
You know, and then Wrong Move them, you know, George and Danny Basie, Firehouse Crew. They used to build the rhythm them. So I used to do some song like Soften at the Little Ones and one bag of cultural song, and the people them, I mean, a lot of people they embrace me probably overseas, but Jamaica them nah, they don't want to hear them sitting there. So and then we start sing over some song, you know, like we start sing over, we've only just begun, the romance is not over, and some other song, lying alone with my head on the phone, and you know, I used to go on until me just start sing over and then we go and reach to Man in the Mirror, 88 and you know. And then we did there and when the thing start bust, we sit down and the whole of it together and we say, yo, I see when we go and have our own studio now because we use different studio. We used to use Jimmy Cliff studio first and then we start use from name it, you know. Till we reach down 56 Light Road where Penthouse's studio and you'd have Gussie Clark's studio over the next side. So we used to work over Penthouse.
Yeah.
And so we just go on record until the thing start building the building up a Constant Spring and thing. You understand? Yeah, they're not doing much work now, but me I do my own thing because me have my own label to Taj Rush Records and stuff, you know. But yeah, most definitely. Because you know you have to branch out and do your thing, but enough respect to them same because they are the foundation and thing. Every man branch off and still, you know, Tanto, Devante, they don't know Beanie too. And thing. But all heap of great works go on, brother. What the thing is just that the plans them we have when we start out and we did hungry for certain things. They were youth named Patchy too. Big him up to Paul Wright.
Patchy, Patchy.
Him write a whole heap of song too. Whole heap of Beanie Man song too. Whole heap of song for me. Whole heap of song for whole heap of artists. Don't really give him the highlight there, talk about him.
No.
You understand? Yeah, but trust me.
Yeah, Patchy's bad.
He's also a singer too.
Yeah,
you understand? But the plans them is.
Sorry?
Yeah, go ahead.
You and Patchy did the tune together. Some guys have all the luck, right?
Yeah, Big A from IRFM produced that song.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So you know, we did the plans them we have. We started out. You know, you have some plans and started. So when we start rise and certain things, and then when it start get big, now everybody start changing. Everybody start do what they want to do. The man now come in the studio again. And we just realize that's how the thing said, because sometimes we have some drive when you're hungry and when you start get little money and make something, everybody just start change. But me always I say, boy, basically that's how we stay for a long time.
Yes, sir.
People don't just change, so money not supposed to change and things, you know?
Yeah, man, of course.
Yeah, man. So it's a long journey, as I say, we don't have no bad vibe against nobody or nothing at all.
Yeah.
Big up everybody same way and the great works. Same way. I'm still a push on, I'm do my thing, I launch out by myself and I go on. Because when I time with the Shocking Vibe, it was like a backup basically. You know? You know, Shocking Vibes at the end of the day, you know, Beanie Man I lead the pack, Beanie Man boss and thing. Yeah. It was Little Lenny first, You know, one time it was me, but me alone. We never have the crew then.
Yes.
And being there, up and down and do some things and shows. And sometimes we go to some place and some people come to me and I say, boy, if the gift for you have, I know you can't sing, brethren. You need for I sing, man. You're not really supposed to run up on stage that like from back up 5 minutes and 10 minutes and you know. But at the time you have to do what you have to do because you have to eat and you have you to feed.
Yes.
And the music funny. So you understand is that next betting you know in 2006 I launch out and then I record an album called One More Chance and went to Canada, you know, big up Caroline Ferrer and I'm there Canada and get somebody to put out the album and from there no turning back. I come back and Stitchy was on the road and we just start doing my thing.
Yeah man.
Then I start getting a call for dub plate and thing and then I start control my stuff too, you understand?
Yes.
Because you see as a youth when we just start out because we start out young we never study the business part, you know. So we get a whole heap around, you understand? Something you look on some label you see man have him wife name him pick them name and your name. No, they don't not all that mean you know no pick name. I know that royalties our pension, brother, because we don't have no pension basically than the music. So we just love music as the artist, them and we just sing. And then you hope that the people them were in control will guide you a certain way and show you certain things. But a lot of them not show you. Then just get rich and fat and then you feel always go and say, I'm picking them now no pampas, you know, say, I want to bed and I want to this and we not depend that because we're a man, brother. So
yes, sir.
And this the Almighty give me this and a guy can't take it away.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so we just go and do a thing and who I work with me, I work. Even with this day I work with a few producer.
Yes.
And we just go and do my thing same way. A lot of people now work with me because for whatever reason they have, which I don't have a problem. I not suffer, I not hungry. God always provide for me. And I give thanks for life.
Yes, sir.
And I give thanks to the people that still love my music, still embrace me. Enough respect to you, because you never have to call me today. They could have find one hot man and call and say, the man I run the place. I give thanks same way. You understand?
I did find a hot man. His name's Kirk. Benji, your music.
Yeah, man, that's it.
No, listen, rude boy. Like I said,
thanks.
As I said to you, out of all of the artists in your generation, you bust first. No Beanie Man, no Bojo, no Bunty. We ain't one of them. You bust first. So for me to speak to you, you're like, so again, man, you know.
Yeah, man. And we anyone that to big up we need to and Bojo. Good you them to see me, you see me? Sorry, you have a whole heap of artists so humble and nice. Man, and a few of them are friends. Few.
Yes.
You know, because some of them corrupt. So, you know, I mean, it means that a man will keep friend really, understand? Can't call my friend them from my 5 finger. Big up Courtney Crossdale for the from Foundation, them youth them, Anapana. You see me, I say big singer to see him here.
Yes.
I mean, just give thanks to the ICM if you're having a high right here, you know?
Yo, big up,
you know?
man. Respect.
It's a pleasure too.
It's a great honor. So what I want to do now, I want you to talk about this song. So I'm gonna play some of it, and then you can talk about the story behind it. Okay?
All right.
Yeah, just give me not too long. I'm gonna take up your time. I appreciate what you've given me already, but yeah. So we're just gonna go into this one. So you're gonna tell me about it. So let's go.
How you vibe music come on?
Never. Can't keep it down. Burning them people's focus on a song joy. Zero sting this, no maybe go brown. Tell them Kirky. Yes, I. Why you put a joy in my heart to the song? I tell you, this is one of my favorite songs.
That tune is bad.
Yeah, man, I wrote this song right over there, right? You see the settee there, right there, so. And little table on my computer there, so. Right there, so I sit down and write that one about after 3 one night.
Wow.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
That song came about in a Higher Vibes production. You know, big up yourself. Jarian, you know, him produced the song there.
Yes.
You ever used to name, we call him Blacks, he's a singer.
Mm-hmm.
One day, me and me there here, and one of my little brother, Shamrock, was here. And we have a rhythm of vibe, and like me that build a little thing. Me never want to sing on it. I want to do like a sing J thing, and my brother say, no man, sing man. And the youth, Blacks, Zablacks him name, Zablacks, big up yourself, see him here.
Mm-hmm.
Him have this little line like him a say, something about can't hold lie down. But him a give my brother, because my brother Shamrock is a DJ.
Yeah.
But Shamrock I say, yeah man, yeah. Like it still. And I say, no, want it. So I say, just the line there. Can't hold lie down.
Yes.
And I say, all right, give me it. I go use it. And when them leave and go to them yard, I go there and play the rhythm. Then I go sleep and I wake up after 1 or 2. And I start play the rhythm. And I say, the most I have blessed us, so now never yet left us, so yes, never yet stressed us, the he is soul keeper. Oh boy. Well, them can't hold lie down. You see the most I alone him with the triple crown. Yo, them can't keep I down. We keep burning them with words, powers and a sound. Oh, yeah, can't hold lie down. And this a serious thing. This a no, maybe go brown. And then I done this and I say, all right, what come now? I lay down back again and wake up back in the next one and go back and say, I want the most I clear right part right now, so we not just no shadow, yes, after dark. Yeah, him give me a clean hands and a puring heart. You see me got that from the start again. This your heart, yeah, clean like a whistle, devil, no back away now with a shine and with a glisten, yeah. Well, even this one of the most I children want thunderball, and the whole of no missing listen, them can't hold like. I was doing that song with like a vengeance in my brother, because there's so much people who try push me aside, try hold me down, try undermine me.
Yes.
You know, it was like a vengeance in my eye. The song is still in the bus yet. We are working on to do the video and thing, but that's the song. When I hear it, I'm perform it. You know, me if not talk to you know, man, I can't tell you my eye them full of water.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, it touched me deep.
We can hear it in the song. You can hear the passion.
Yeah, man, I wear some man.
You can hear it.
Yeah, man.
So yes, sir.
Song that real tune, brother. You understand?
Yeah,
and people can relate it to you, man. Because people fight you and bash you for no reason. The amount of bashing them get, brother. The amount of fight. Batty man name call the boy, yeah, batty boy, them this. You don't know the thing set, brother.
Yeah,
the woolly for them thing that we go through. More time if it's a father. Why me go through so much crucifixion, brother?
Yeah,
but we stand firm and we just go and work same way. So that song is like it basically talking about myself. Me, so I can't hold me down no matter. It's from me have breath, life, the gift for God give me. No boy and no girl can't get me out.
Yes, sir.
Unless me drop out.
Yeah.
And my voice and my music will live on forever. Me not going to let me have Bob Marley, but my thing a different thing. Different classes. So respect to Bob and all of the greats. You see me I say? Yeah, man. I have a next one today, man. That's the way life goes. I sit down the same place and write it to me. I say, you understand? The merry-go-round. I don't know if you have that song.
No, not merry-go-round. No.
Yeah, man, life, that's the way life goes, man.
Oh, merry-go-round, the people that put it together, yeah? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, man, I say no, life is like a merry-go-round, round and round.
Oh, that's the lyrics. Because I got that tune there, that's the way life
All right, if you can play a little piece of the song, that I would appreciate it.
All right. No
yeah,
problem.
man.
Boom.
So them, they know Little Kirk, we're out there, see me. So we're going to stop the thing, no time.
Life is a journey.
The longer we live, the more we... Woo.
I have been through the stuff will never be dead.
Still stand firm on my journey, oh yes, I never lose my way.
Say by your work you get your pay. Me no care when I eat them and no backbiters want to say. Still a judge need a way. Him guide my footstep, oh yes, I never be night, I never be day.
And even though things set away, so to the most high.
God take the good with the bad and turn them into positive.
Oh yeah.
The Father provided us
with everything.
But we
I just speak the
whole entire system. That is the way life goes. I'm sitting down, round and round it goes. That is the way life flows. It flows, yeah. That is the way life goes. I'm sitting down, round and round it goes. That is the way life flows.
Down to the voice of the one Little Kirk.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, we select the sound too. Yeah, brother, you know, it's just a joy, man. And trust me, brother, more time, I saw it said, more time, we give thanks for life. And you don't know, people are people. At the end of the day, as I say, Peter touched one say in an interview, like, them asked him something, and like him, I say, listen, in no business that people going to want to say, because people going to always say. Yeah. And people always, no matter what you do in a life, brother, as I say, life have ups and downs. Yeah. And it is for every one of us. Sometimes we're up there, sometimes we come down.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Yeah.
I mean, all I can tell you this, I mean, like I say, you know me, I'm like a, I try to project the works, you know, that you and, you know, what I call the reggae icons have put in, you know what I mean?
All right.
You know, because reggae music is just on another level. As we've just seen in the past weekend, your Killer and Beanie Man shut down the whole internet. And it wasn't the hip hop that did it, and it wasn't the R&B and the hype rare.
All right.
Jamaica.
Sure.
You see it? So everybody's gonna want to look back into, okay, well, what is this reggae dancehall thing, and where's it come from, and all the rest of it. So there's a lot of history that you have helped paint. You know, one of the biggest, you know, you've contributed some of the biggest pieces of the puzzle that makes up reggae music. You know what I mean? I said, so
give thanks for that.
I'm going to spread as much as possible amongst my DJ friend them. Because I know people obviously from all over the radio and stuff. So we're going to push this material as much as possible. And anything you get, again, just send it my way or whoever you know. Boom, 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 boom. It's out there.
Yeah, man. I have a Lovers Rock record, but it's a sing over, because I haven't sing over any song in a long time. Yes. And I sing over that song named You Are the Reason.
Okay, yes, sir. All right, so, boom. We're going to go through that now. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, the living legend that is Little Kirk. This is Candyman.
Yeah, man.
Shop. We are chat about reggae with.
Yes, man.
Kirk. So,
most definitely. Candyman, 45 shop.
Respect here, sir. All right, boom. So, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is You Are the Reason.
Big up one, Mr. Smooth. The harmonies. Big up the singer. Big up yourself.
There goes my you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. There goes my reason. You are the reason that I'm still breathing.
Ladies!
I've got every
swim every ocean. This one is broken. You are the reason. Big up.
Yo.
Big tune, man. Big tune. Big up yourself, Wendy. Up there.
Yo,
say me, I say. Sugar plum plum.
Definitely. You know what? Again, Little Kirk, I cannot thank you enough, because like I said, you know, when you donate time, it's something that you cannot get back. So you're giving it to me, us, the world right now. So again, big up yourself, Star. Big up your career, your family, everything you're working with. You know, blessings, Aya. Blessings.
I give thanks. And to people them can find me, you can go to at Little Kirk Music. You understand? You know, you have a YouTube channel them, and my WhatsApp number for business. I don't know, dub plate, shows, anything. It's 1-876-504-3393. So I want to big up everybody with tune in.
Yes.
Thank you for your time also, because I could have done somewhere else, I do something else. Man. Thank you again, Candyman.
Yeah, man.
Shop, big up yourself, 45. Big up all the massive. Georgette, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You see me, I say? Yeah, man, big up to everyone that tuning in. And we give thanks for your time. And big up all the artists them to see them way.
Yeah.
Let's keep strong. Even the one them with them try push out of the thing. Let's go on. Don't leave the Almighty. I'm the greatest. You see me, I say?
Sir. Yes,
when you have the Almighty, you have everything else. No matter who are in your corner. That's how it's said. Peace and love and blessing. Guidance to the people. Them one love.
Definitely.
Most definitely. We link, my brother. Give thanks again.
Definitely. We'll be in touch.
My pleasure.
Yeah? All right, then.
Blessings.
Little more.
Cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was Little Kirk. Little more.
All right. Me like how you leave Kirk Davis. I know. Little Kirk.
Well, you know.
I know you like using Kirk Davis still. That's what it said. But
no, you know what? Because your name, I mean, I've got the tune them. So we got Little Kirk, and then all of a sudden we have Kirk Davis. So, you know, when I'm on, you're a big man, you see me? So me know what I'm a big man, Little. So when you
no, all right, that is one of the things. One of the time it is not cut you off. Sorry, that is one of the things. When the time you change it, because you go so, and a lot of people say some people never hear about Little Kirk before, and you go, well, welcome on stage, a singer from Dragon, blah blah blah. Welcome and say Little Kirk, and you look and see a big man, and I say, oh my God, what is that with Little Kirk? What's so damn little about Kirk? No, that's big. That's just giant Kirk. So that's what I use it. The Kirk Davis. Yeah. We drop off some of the weight and still working and losing some. Because I did skinny before, as you could have seen the water tape.
Yeah, of course.
You know?
Yeah.
So, but you don't know, you get comfortable and you travel and you're up on tour and I be a Kentucky and them foolishness. So you pack up yourself with it. You just eat.
Yeah.
You know, you just stop and you start get good life. You just say, wow, and you know, watch the thing. But we give thanks.
Yes, sir.
I'll make
a suggestion. If you start rolling with Bling Dog again, you see him there? Him there in the gym every day? So
yeah, man, him not play, you know. Him not play, for real. Yeah, man, him dedicated to the thing. You see it?
Yes, sir. Anyway, big man, respect, yeah?
Blessing, brother. Bless up
Thanks
yourself.
again for your time.
Cool.
Yes, sir. All right, then, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, man. All the sound man, them tune in. Big up yourself.
Yes.
Big up on yourself.
And find Kirk. This video is out there. The information is there. If you don't get it, contact me or contact Kirk directly at Little Kirk Music. Instagram is there for the world to see. All right.
Most definitely. Peace, bless.
We are out of here. So, Little Kirk, respect. Fish. What name? Belly bang. What name? Bang it. Respect, man.
Bangington.
Yeah, man.
There's something about this. I see none of this.
Respect.
All right. Blessing, brother.
Yes, sir.
Blessing.
Of course, man. All right. Peace. Yes. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is, of course, I'm in another world because, like I say, I mean, what this platform is about, Chat Bout Radio, I'm not here to chat or to speak to any of the so-called hype names and stuff. We're talking to quality artists that we don't hear about every single day that we should be. You know what I'm saying? That's what this whole platform is all about. So me as a selector, as a collector, I've always tried to dig out the tunes that we don't hear every day and play them. You know, because, you know, we enjoy this stuff. I mean, a lot of the time we don't even know what we're hearing because we never heard it before, but the vibes and the tunes and the artists are just so bad, we just have to do it. So, all right then, so, boom. All right, couple Little Kirk tunes before we get out of here. It's been a great share, man. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you, all of those that don't know.